From California State University, San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Military museums and manufacturing roof tiles. Hello, I'm Brian Wilson, and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Jessica Terrell. Military museums hold artifacts of our past. Reporter Jae Hyuk Kim learns how museums acquire artifacts and the history behind them.
Experience World Wars, Vietnam War, and Korean War for yourself. If you don't want to learn from history class anymore, here's a good place to see a great variety of military artifacts.
The Military Museum was founded in honor of our Veterans Day program that we do every year. When I say we do, I'm talking about the Juan Pollo Corporation. Every year for 18 years, we honored our veterans with a parade, a car show, and a veterans program. The military artifacts are brought by veterans and their families. As you guys know, nowadays we're losing so many veterans, especially World War II. Now we're losing our Korean veterans. A lot of people that have had families in the military don't know what to do with their stuff. And we've kind of created an outlet for them to bring their stuff here, and that gives them a permanent home rather than put it in a yard sale and losing it forever. I guess the biggest and the best artifact I have is a 1953 Willys Jeep that was used during the Korean War. It's completely been restored, and it's drivable. I use it for veterans fairs, for veterans parades and stuff. But that's one of the biggest and nicest artifacts.
Although these are just military artifacts now, we need to remember their devotion and sacrifice. For Local Matter, Jae Hyuk Kim.
Manufacturing of roof tiles is something that many people do not know the process of. Reporter Airamee Grunder hits the scene to see how it's made.
Today you're going to get a front row seat to how your home's most protective component is made, the concrete roof tile.
I've been in the tile business 31 years. A concrete roof tile consists of washed plaster sand, type 2 Portland cement, regular city water, calcium chloride, a liquid version, and iron oxide, liquid version. Roof tile is manufactured, sand, cement, water, color is all mixed through large-scale mixers, dropped into a hopper, which then goes through an extrusion process that comes out as one piece and then is cut with a series of knives, then travels down a conveyor system, goes into a kilning process of about 5 hours. 5 hours later, it comes back out as a dry piece of tile, and then is stacked either by hand or a machine stacker. So a concrete tile making system, tile machine, consists of 3 parts. There's a pack shaft which actually drives the material onto the mold, and there's a roller which actually presses the cement mix down onto the mold, and then we have a thicknesser which actually smooths and forms the tiles that extrudes out before it goes to the knife unit.
Well, there you have it. Concrete roof tiles got you covered. For Local Matters, I'm Airamee Grunder.
To keep updated on what Local Matters is doing, follow our social media.
To watch some of our other stories, head over to our YouTube channel at Local Matters CSUSB. I'm Jessica Terrell.
And I'm Brian Wilson. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.